I will never underestimate the power of a comeback after learning these 5 steps. First, become a problem solver. Think of Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He saw each failure as a step closer to success. Life's gonna throw you curveballs, so grab that bat and swing. Just like Babe Ruth, who struck out more times than anyone, but also hit the most home runs. Next, learn from your failures. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job, but used that experience to become a media mogul. Every fail is just a plot twist in your success story. J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Number 3, don't spend much time with negative people. Steve Jobs was ousted from Apple, but surrounded himself with positive influences to create Next and Pixar. They're like anchors on your ship. Cut them loose and sail on. Jobs returned to Apple and led it to unprecedented success. Fourth, believe in yourself when no one else will. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, but believed in his potential and became a legend. Channel your inner superhero, and remember, even Batman had doubters. Jordan's self-belief turned him into an icon. Lastly, never, ever, ever quit. Think of Diana Niad, who swam from Cuba to Florida at age 64 after 4 failed attempts. Success is like a marathon. It's all about endurance. Niad's tenacious perseverance made her a symbol of determination. So, lace up those sneakers and keep running. Your journey is just beginning. Your epic comeback starts now. Let's go. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.